Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف فريقا هدى وفريقا حق عليهم الضلالة إنهم اتخذوا الشياطين أولياء من دون الله ويحسبون أنهم مهتدون. Translation: a group he guides right, and other group deserve to remain misguided, for they take shaitans as their guardian instead of Allah, yet they think that they are on right guidance. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded for justice, and He commanded for the establishment of Salah and doing the worship with 100% sincerity towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the fourth thing mentioned in the last ayah was hereafter, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create all of us again in the hereafter. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in today's ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided a group of people to the straight path, and the other group is in darkness and is misguided, and they take the devils and shaitan as their guardians instead of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they will not be guided because of that reason. So people who are misguided could be because that they never tried to find the straight path, or the other possibility is that they somehow tried but could never reach the straight path. In both the situations, the blame is on them, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the straight path so clear and so easy that if anyone with a sincere heart who is trying to find the straight path, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will show them the straight path. So if somebody has not found the straight path despite of trying, it means that they had some problem in their efforts and they were not sincere to find the straight path. There is another possibility that somebody finds the straight path, but after finding and understanding the straight path, they don't walk on it because they don't want to lose the pleasures of this world. In all those situations, when somebody is away from the straight path, is going to face the consequences of this and will be punished in the hereafter. So it means that misguidance and remaining away from Iman and the straight path is a poison that if somebody eats it intentionally will be killed, or if somebody eats it by mistake, he will be killed as well. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that these people who are away from the straight path think that they are on the right guidance, and this is a very unfortunate situation, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the provider of rizq, and He provides rizq to the believers and the non-believers. But when the non-believers get the success in the world, they think that they are doing the right thing, and they continue doing the wrong thing and continue to go in the wrong direction, away from Iman and away from the straight path. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us the vision so that we can see the straight path with our eyes, and give us the persistence to stay on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum.